God bless you. To bless you. Can you say hi to Nana and Gramps? Oh! Can you say hi? And give a smile? What else are you going to say? What else are you going to say? To Goose?